Well, hello YouTube viewers, before starting my video make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. Right now in this video I'm going to show you 5 apps for PC that you should try out that makes your work simple and easy. As you see here, the video files are more and different. To select my footage, I need to run all the video and check the footage, which is not so fastest method. This can be solved by using QuickLook, which allows to view any media faster and easy by just pressing space bar on your keyboard. This app is available in Microsoft Store, which is for free. All you need to do is install it on your PC and run it for first time. Now you can go to any media and select it and press the space bar on keyboard and a window will pop up and show you the quick look of that footage. Is it so easy, right? Going for the next app. This is in Photoshop Express, which is totally free in Microsoft Store, which works similar to the Instagram photo filter. It's totally like Lightroom. You can select the filter, which you feel good for the image. Also you can adjust it however you like it. As I am adjusting here you can adjust the exposure, color and brightness and much more. This is an interesting app called EarTrumpet, which allows you to control different applications' volume knob. Sounds crazy, right? Let me show you how it works. After installing this app, you can see at the bottom right corner at the start menu a sound icon is present. If you click on that, you can now see different volume knob for each application. Now you can control all the volume of specified application. Next app, this is a video and screen capture application called ShareX. This also available on Microsoft Store, which you can download for free. Here you can select any kind of capture methods to record or capture your monitor screen. Also you can do much more. You can Google it for more features of this app. This is an application which you can download through the website, and also this application is so useful for everyone. This application is called Everything, which allows you to find any file stored in your PC. All you have to do is type a name of the file. If you forgot the file name you can just type the starting name and it will give you all files which starts from that name and makes it easy to search forgotten file location. That's it for this video. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. I will meet you guys in the next video. Until then, goodbye.